I blogged recently about implementing complicated functions using a nested class. This allows the function to be broken down into a number of submethods while clearly showing that all the implementation is related to the function. Here I want to show how easy this is to implement using Code Scrapbook. So let's start it up. Firstly, a bit about Code Scrapbook. Code Scrapbook is a tool for creating fragments of code that can be pasted into a program using user-defined templates. Looking at a template, you can see that it has two parts. The first part specifies the information that needs to be captured from the user. The template can specify text boxes, checkboxes, and radio buttons to do this. The second part of the template specifies how to create the code fragment using the collected information. As I said, the templates are completely user-defined, and while Code Scrapbook comes with an initial set of templates, you are encouraged to edit them or create your own to meet your special needs. Now that we've seen a template definition, let's look at how it's used. You can see at the top of the window is a set of controls that the template has defined for capturing information. At the bottom of the window is the generated fragment. As I type in information, the fragment at the bottom is updated. Code Scrapbook also holds a history of previously entered values, so I can, for example, easily select the class name without having to type it. Code Scrapbook isn't limited to just copying values into a particular part of a template. As I enter the arguments for the function, you'll see that they also update the class variables and are passed to the class constructor in appropriately modified form. Also, if I put in a return type for the function, the template shows a class variable for capturing the return value. I don't need that value, so I'll delete it. Once the information has been entered and the fragment has been created, we can copy the fragment. Code Scrapbook has a number of options to make this more streamlined. One option is to auto-minimize when the copy button is pressed. Once this is done, all we need to do is paste the code into our program.